Hey folks, me again. Back for a continuing update of the last one with all the mechanical problems and some and more modifications or adding to the bus. Number one, this is, if you can see it down here, see the black wire on there? That's the one that was disconnected that I found after I got it back and the AC wasn't getting cold, so I started doing some troubleshooting and wire checking. When I looked up there, I don't know, it's not normally mounted right here. I repositioned it, relocated it. But anyhow, that black wire somehow controls the heat. And once I plugged it back in, I now have air conditioning in the bus, full force. So I had it running today for about 30 minutes and it was nice and cool in here. Anyhow, that is a new location right there. The old location was right here. And the reason why I moved it was when the seat is full forward, that the controls are behind me, so I have to reach back and that could cause an accident. So I had to extend the wires and then pull it through and mount it to there. The other, okay, that was for the mechanical problems. Now let's move on to the new stuff. That's where my cruise control used to be located. I had to extend those wires also so I can mount it underneath here. A little closer, I can reach it without having to reach over to it. Yeah, most buses this size anyhow don't have cruise controls, but this one does. Anyhow, so I had to had to make me a plate, cut the holes in it, the new slots in it for these to fit in. And I don't know whether this cruise control works or not, so I'll have to find out next time I drive it. All right, on to some other modifications or add-ons. I finally got these pretty much finished. I don't have latches on the bottom one yet, so it keeps on popping out. This one does. Comes out like that. It gives me extra storage in there. The drawer. And then these two additional doors down here. That's got to put a string on that one, or it can just lay flat on the ground. But I'm happy with them. I wanted to continue with this color, but I ran out of wood. So I used the color on the outside of the bus. Cleaning the bus up finally. I'm running out of things to do, so I'm finally cleaning it up. It's looking fairly decent as far as what it used to look like. Refrigerator, bed obviously, TV, and those can probably be my underwear and sock storage. Those containers right there. And that's really about it. I have one more thing to show you. I've made a counter top for right here. Comes all the way out to this bar. Goes all the way over to here, curves around, back behind this handle, comes back this way, all the way to the edge of that thing, that blue thing, and then goes to the window. It's still in the process, but I'm going to show it to you. And I'll just drill holes through it, probably three holes to it, and put self-tapping bolts through it, and leave it that way, and see how that works. But anyhow, let's go look at this countertop. So here we are. I just glued this piece on right here and that piece on, and that's going to finish them off. And this glue is just awesome. I don't use Elmer's wood glue anymore unless I have to. That's an oil-based right there. It's messy, but man, is it strong. I don't really see these corners. I had to bend in and then glue and then clamp in. And within about 1 hour, I let the clamps off, and it stayed on its own. During the heat, during the summer, this glue dries extremely fast. During the winter, it takes a while, but during the summer, it dries extremely fast. So the color is going to be that color there, blue or gray, and then the side pieces here and on the inside is going to be the trim on my bus. Right there, it's going to be that color to offset the other color. So the correct position for this thing is going to be this way. This is where that handle comes into right here. And that's going to be where the door's at, the side of the bus. And then that goes up towards the window. That's on the window right there. So anyhow, I just figured I wanted to give you that update. I'm also getting the trailer ready. It's almost there. I got to put a few more heavy things in there, like my MIG welder, so that I get a true weight. But it's coming together, and I'm almost happy with it as far as being done and everything on it that I want on it. But hey, isn't that kind of ingenious to put that clamp there to hold it there? I'm just saying, you know. Anyhow, I appreciate you watching. Most important thing you can do for me is to like, then share, and then please subscribe and hit that bell next to the subscribe button, and I would appreciate it. Also, if you're getting ready to buy something from Amazon, please use one of my links below in the description. You don't have to buy that particular item. Just use that link, and then a window will open. And as long as that window is open, anything you buy, I get 4% cash back on. Or not cash back, well, 4% back from Amazon. Because I'm an affiliate or associate, whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, again, thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day, and be safe.